Hi, welcome to these videos. So finally we are going a little bit deeper into the parametric modeling process. For these purposes, this time we'll take a look and try to reproduce the Beira Stadium by Hype Studio for the 2014 Brazil World Cup. As we normally do on these videos, we'll break down this project into a simple set of geometry algorithms to generate the basic shape of the roof structure. So here we're gonna take a look into some really useful components to achieve this. Then we're gonna go ahead and perform some geometry optimizations, so we'll take this opportunity to use Grasshopper Python component to do a little bit of scripting and take advantage of the node encode feature of this component that will allow us to create complex functions with Grasshopper components in our text editor. We will also take a look into how we can use all our computer cores using the multi-threading feature this Python component has, which will improve the performance of our definitions. And finally, we'll take a look into a general workflow of how we can use raw geometries extracted from a parametric model into a beam-controlled environment. For these purposes, we'll take a look to the Rhino Beam plugin and assign some structural beam components to inform our geometries. And finally, just to finish it up, we'll perform a simple clash analysis to check our geometries for any intersecting problems we may have. So the idea here is for you to start getting a general view of how all these pieces fit together so you can start integrating them into your work. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started.